Santa Casa, a renamed hospital in Vinhedo, Brazil, implemented an Opus Nina for the automation of their pharmacy process. So let's enter to their pharmacy to understand how the process was before and after the Opuspac solution. On the old process, first, they needed to select the medication on their system, so then they can manually print the labels with the information for the unit dose. Then, as the second step, they cut the blisters into individual units. Now, this is the step that takes the longest time to perform, as you will see the little space in the packaging to insert the medication. This, on a large scale, causes tiredness for the person in charge and wastes a considerable amount of time. The sealing of the packaging was done by stepping on a pedal. Since it was a manual process, the operator's position was not the most ergonomic, and it is also noticeable that the process was not very smooth. The next step is to stick the previously printed labels, one by one. Finally, the last step of the process uses the same machine to separate the packages into individual unit doses. Now, let's compare the same unit dose process using the Opuspac system to automate it. The operator selects the medication, either by scanning the barcode of the medication or selecting it on the computer. In this case, it was selected on the computer. So now the printer is ready, so the individualized medication can go to the Opus Nina to start the production of unit doses. The operator inserts the medication, and in automatic mode, a light sensor detects when their hand is removed, instantly completing the cycle. The process is intuitive and simple. This compact solution takes up minimal space and also is a great option for preparing patient bags, with the ability to use different package sizes and prepare unit doses. With productivity reaching up to 1,100 units per hour, it outperforms the old manual method, which took 50 minutes to produce just 112 doses with multiple professionals. This is a game changer. Our result is ready. Now, let's see how it compares to the manual unit dose process. Now, looking at the old unit dose, reading the medication name can be challenging. The small letters make identification difficult, with some information overlapped, and it is a concern, especially with LASA, which stands for look-alike and sound-alike medications. On the other hand, with Opuspac's unit dose, everything is much clearer. The medication name and dosage are easy to read, and hospitals can also use a GS1 barcode, the most reliable way to ensure accuracy and traceability. On top of that, Opuspac provides access to a database of over 2,000 medications, visual warnings, and advisories for easy identification, reducing adverse events for the patients. And finally, comparing the openings, the old method could cause drops, while the new unit dose has easy open, more practical and keeping information intact. Opus Nina, the first step in hospital automation.